Can you tell us the place where it's necessary to use incomplete rods? Because most people will tell you that they don't use incomplete. Then who now buys them at the market?
So it
You
depends.
exactly go to the market and you see a seller telling you that they is selling incomplete rod for someone. So who
All
now
right.
buys the incomplete rod? And can you, as an engineer, tell us where it is necessary to use an incomplete rod?
It depends on the person. All these things choice.
Mm.
So some engineers, once you give them money, they will just go for the lesser ones.
Okay.
But I myself, I don't know for others, but I'm talking about for my own self.
Yeah.
What I have been using is complete.
Greetings, my wonderful people. I am here today at Ababa Harmony Estate, Enugu State, Nigeria, to come and interview my brother engineer, who is the one that is in charge of this building that is behind me. So today we are going to be asking him some various questions on the process that it takes to get this building to this level as of the moment. So, brother, please, what's your name? Can you tell the viewers your name and probably tell them what you do?
Okay. My name is Engineer Chuku Emmanuel.
Okay.
So I'm an engineer.
Okay. So you are the one that is in charge of this building?
Yes, of course. So
Okay.
I'm the one in charge from the foundation to this stage now.
Okay, you even do the architectural work?
Yes, I'm also an architect too.
Yeah.
So I also design and build.
Mm.
So that is my own field.
Okay.
So any building that comes to my way, I will be the one to design
Okay.
and also be the one to execute the building.
Okay, and you can equally help someone who has never built before. Because in most cases, people who have not built their houses don't even know what they want. So
Sure.
you can equally help them make some drawings and present to them while they now choose the kind of house they want.
Yes,
You now
exactly. At times, some clients do come to me. Depends on what they feel like or their dream house. So I'll be the one to, do the proper sketching
Okay.
of what they want.
Yeah.
It's not what I need. It's what they need.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you charge for consultation?
Yeah, of course. So, but our consultation fee is not that kind high. So we do consider our clients.
Okay.
Because we normally take people closer to their dream house. So
Yeah.
we have to execute it and make it in a reality form. So that's it.
So the consultation fee, it comes with designing the house. Is he designing the house like you design various houses and present to the client?
So in terms of the designing, so it depends. We
You do what?
so in terms of the design, the consultation fee. Once the design, the person brings out the house that he wants me to design. So everything comes along with it. I cannot charge someone for consultation just like that. It's from that architecturer, just the thing that I'm going to use to design the house.
Yeah.
So After designing it, then we can start off with the
But wait,
project.
will someone present a house to you before you now design? I thought you are the one to bring service of house or maybe
No,
design
I'm
a
going to show
building.
you different types of designs.
Mm,
So the one that you want,
mm,
we'll now go for it.
okay.
Do you get?
Yeah.
The one that you want, I will now go for it. If there is a little bit editing that we need to edit on the house,
Mm,
maybe what you want to be in that house too,
yeah.
then we can edit it.
Okay.
So then we present it to you. You
Okay.
execute the plan.
Okay. Okay. And during your consultation, do you present service of houses to people? Because most clients they wouldn't want to just take a view of one house and decide. Some would like 3 to 4, 5 houses.
Sure, I do present that about three or two or any amount. You
Okay.
understand me?
Okay, so let's go into the main thing we came here for today, which is actually this house that you can see behind me, which is actually being handled as of the moment by engineers. Have used the name again?
Engineer Emmanuel.
Engineer Emmanuel. Okay, so please, can you tell us how you started this building uh, from the foundation level to this level? Can you tell us your experience and how it has been going?
Okay, when I started this project, it
Mm,
have not been that long.
okay.
So because I'm well known in the field, because I don't normally delay in
Mm,
my building or construction work.
yeah.
Because mostly the people that I normally design and build for
Mm,
is people that are in outside the country.
definitely.
That's my clients.
Diaspora.
Because they have a specific number of time
Mm,
that they need for their house to reach
mm,
before they will move out or
yeah.
travel back. At times, some don't normally comes back.
Yeah.
So everything will be done. So in terms of that, the foundation, I started this building not up to, I think this year
Mm,
is when I started this building.
yeah.
So everything was started by me.
Everything
Yes,
from start to
everything
finish.
from
So
start to
what kind of
finish.
building is this? Is it
Okay,
tenant house?
now,
Is it duplex?
as you can see this house now,
Yeah.
this house looks like a duplex,
Yes.
but it is not a duplex.
Okay.
So this is a commercial house. Do you get?
Yeah.
So this is a flat, a block of flats.
Yeah.
But one thing with me is that I normally make my design so unique to be as in different from other designs or
Yeah.
flats or block of flats that we normally see outside.
Yeah.
So I made this house to be two bedroom flats as in based on the down floor,
Yeah.
and also a room self con.
Yeah.
I did that a room self con just for my client to benefit more
Mm.
based on the tenant fee and
Yes.
many other things.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
while the top is 3 bedroom, the other one is 2 bedroom.
Mm.
We have 2 bedroom and 1 bedroom flat
Mm.
downstairs.
Yes.
So it's in form of a unique estate building.
Yes.
So different type of building is there. Although my client has one, is the person that is going to live in the other 3 bedroom.
Yes.
So we also make people who are in diaspora
Yeah.
in a way that after building, maybe you want to live in that particular house.
Yes.
I normally design it in a way that it will look like a duplex,
Okay.
but it is not a duplex.
That means, according to what you said, you give unique designs.
Unique designs, yes.
Okay.
So all my clients, this is not the first house. I have built a lot of buildings.
Okay.
Even currently now, I'm handling a two-story building.
Okay.
Currently now,
And this
so
Alaba.
I am Centenary Estate
Okay. Okay. Okay.
in Centenary. So I have two-story building going on.
Mm.
It is at the parapet stage. That one is just about 3 months. I started that one 3 months ago. So
Okay.
so it is at the parapet stage now. So I normally make a design.
Mm.
I create the design, make it unique above every other one. So some people may seeing this building will think that it is being owned by a single person,
Definitely.
but it's not a single person. This is a tenant house.
Okay.
So that's it.
Okay. So I want to ask, what's the qualifications?
Okay, I'm a qualified and certified B engine
Okay.
in the University of Enugu State University of Science and Technology.
Esut.
ESUT, yes.
Okay.
I graduated many years ago.
Many
Years ago. Don't just fashion about this body. So many years ago.
Yeah.
So I'm into this building field for a long period of time. Not less than more than 10 to 15 more building that we have handled for many people, clients who are also outside the country. Even duplex, do you get duplex, 1 story, or two-story, anyone that the person wants.
Okay.
So I have a lot of them that I have designed.
Okay.
Many of them are in this area, but many of them are in the town, like Centenary Estate and many other places. So
Okay.
we have a lot of designs.
You read engineering?
Yes,
And
I
also,
studied
did
engineering.
you also learn it from someone? Because there
No,
are some
no.
people that read and
Okay.
also learn.
Okay, in terms of that, when I was in school, for the fact that this is a field work,
Yeah.
do you get? So I studied that and I also went to the practical aspect of it,
Definitely.
not only the theory. I have also the practical aspect of it. I studied the
You
practical
started
aspect of
moving to sites.
Yes, even when I was in year one
Yeah.
for a long period of time. So right now, I also have many apprentices, a lot of people that I'm teaching this work.
Wow. Wow.
A lot of students, yes, that I'm teaching this engineering field. Both people that are still in school, people that are doing their IT, and also some people who wants to be advanced. Even my fellow engineers too,
Yeah.
that have not been into field work. So I have a lot of them that I also handle in terms of this field.
Do you have an academy?
In terms of the academy, my name is I use the word stainless construction as my business name. Do you get? So I have not developed an academy like that, but everything that I do is just in the field work.
Okay.
I do take people, a lot of people in the field.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine. So can you tell us how you can we be going inside
All
so
right.
the viewers can see the building once again? So can you be telling us how you supervise your building? Because I know there is always supervision fee in everything that is being done. So can you tell us the rates in which you charge for your supervision?
Okay, it depends on the project
Yeah.
that the person wants to handle or the person wants to build.
Yeah.
So the project determines what I will charge. Maybe if someone who is building like a duplex will not be the same fee with someone who is building one-story building.
Definitely.
Or a block of flats.
Yeah.
Or let me just say two-story building or three-story building.
Yeah.
So it depends on the project that the person has. And the one thing with the consultation fee, I'm not the type of person that that collect that consultation fee like that. My only role is just tell me the type of design that you want, your dream house.
Yeah.
I will design it. Yeah. Then you pay for the drawing, architectural, because I'm going to provide both the architectural, the structural, mechanical, and the electrical plan. Everything will be in the plan.
You also provide the electrical plans?
Yes, everything will be in the plan.
Yeah.
Then I will, if it is the one that is going for inspection, or let me just say town planning, we'll take it to the town planning for approval. So everything will be approved. Then we'll start our field too, which is the structural, the foundation.
Okay, so for you to charge up to these foundational levels, so how much do you charge to get to a level like this?
Okay, that is that level.
I know after this level, there was still
that level is DPC, which is damp proof course.
Yes.
So this damp proof course, we charge based on what the client really wants. If some clients normally say, okay, how much will it take for you to build these whole houses or thereabout? That one is aside. We also do such contracts. Then some people also goes on, okay, how much will you charge from that foundation to this DPC? So it depends because the size of the building aren't the same.
Yeah.
The size of the building are so it depends on the and also the size of the building be determine can charge this particular person. Now one thing with me is that I don't charge much.
Okay.
That's one thing with me. For everything, I don't charge much.
So yeah, kind of people are watching, they will call you. So actually, they go in like this thing now is a tenant house, but you made it to be unique and fine, like a duplex. So
like this one that is here now, we are still going to use tiles. Don't mind about this rough work. Here is the tile work. I'm going to use tiles to also design it. So I'm just waiting for my workers, which is the POP people, to finish. Then we use the tiling to finish it up.
Okay. So how much do you charge to get to this DPC level? Even if it's not this building, then how much, like maybe something, a building like this or something like this, how much do you supervise to get to the DPC level?
Okay.
Because I know as an engineer, your work is to direct the workers. Yeah. You have to do this and not to do that. So how much do you charge
in terms of the foundation, know that the foundation is the major aspect of the engineering.
Yes.
Because once I start foundation work, we are not dressed like this because of we are at the finishing stage. So the foundation, It depends. Like I say, it depends. It depends on the structure. So, but I will just give you the rate of between for this particular building now,
Mm.
because of the cost of everything. I'll just say within the range of maybe from foundation to here, around that kind, 400 or 300
400 to
plus. Yes,
300,000.
yes,
Okay. So,
just for we to do
okay,
it.
to get to the PC level.
Yeah,
So,
depending on the building,
okay.
depending on the building.
Mm.
So the building determines.
Okay. So, viewers, he's trying to say that the building you are actually on it will determine the price he will charge for his own supervision. Because what if what if you're the one charging for the whole building? You are the one supervising everything. A client will call and say, okay, I want you to supervise from start to the finishing level.
Okay, in terms of from the start to the finishing level,
Mm.
everything relies on the building.
Mm.
Do
Okay,
you
let's say
get?
a duplex now, a 4 bedroom duplex, 5 bedroom duplex.
So in terms of that 5 or 4 bedroom duplex,
Yeah.
so for we to charge from start to finishing, because all this engineering work is based on
Mm.
staged.
Yes, yes,
We
yes.
normally start from that foundation to DPC,
Mm.
from that DPC to lintel level,
Okay.
yeah, from that lintel level to decking,
Mm.
decking itself, from that decking, if it is still going up, so the
Mm.
other one,
Yeah.
so that lintel level
Yeah.
again, then the roofing stage.
Okay.
So it all depends on the amount. I cannot just say this is the amount of money. I
Mm.
cannot just call price for anybody
Yeah.
based on the amount of money that is being needed. But
Okay.
one thing that is assured with me, and that is why a lot of works
Mm.
comes towards my way.
Yeah.
I'm not the type of person that charges a lot
Mm.
for people in terms of the building. We normally give the person the best design, the best structure,
Mm.
solid and quality of
Mm.
what he or she
So in
wants.
terms of supervision pricing, you can't just say it outright here until you know the type
This,
of
yes, the
building.
type of building, yes,
Okay,
it
okay,
depends.
okay. That's fine. So how much did it cost to build this house to this level right away? Because I
Okay,
know this house is 80 to 90% completed.
yes, it's almost done.
Yeah. So how
So,
much does it cost to finish up everything? How much? Because people are watching. How many rooms do we have here in total?
okay, we have here, this one is 2 bedroom flats.
Mm-hmm.
This one is 2 bedroom flat.
Okay.
Here is self-con,
Okay.
1 room and parlor.
Yeah.
That is that design that I also put here,
Yeah. Yeah.
just to make the client to get more money
Mm.
because it's a commercial building.
Yeah.
So, why this one here is also a 2 bedroom flat.
Yeah.
Do you get?
Yes.
So this one is also a 2 bedroom flat.
Yeah.
So upstairs, we are still going to go to upstairs.
Yeah.
Or I wish to
Yeah.
move
Let's
on.
go upstairs.
Let's
Let's
move
go
on.
upstairs. So we want to know how much it costs to build up something like this as of today. How much will someone budget?
Okay. So in terms of the building, how much it takes to elevate this building
To this level.
to this
And
level.
finishing.
You know, when we started, the price of material is not that much. But now the price of material is rising and falling depending.
Yeah.
Do you get? So approximately, I'm not going to, say the actual price of what it takes to elevate this building
Okay.
because I have not done a round calculation based on the figure because it was not given to us based on the contract.
Yeah.
We should start from the foundation to finish stage. Do you get? So I will just say that it is just a gradual process.
Okay.
Do you get? But this house have not stayed more than for long. It have not stayed for long.
But as an engineer, okay, how long will it take to finish up a house like this if there's steady work?
Okay, if there is a steady work
Yes.
with the current of things now, I would just say um around that kind 50 or 40.
50 to 40 million.
Uh,
Okay, and how long? How many months?
like in terms of the months, it will just be up to 4 months.
4 months.
4 months.
So with someone that is
Because I myself,
Mm.
if I want to start the foundation level, I normally give 2 weeks for foundation.
Okay.
That is what I'm being known. 2 weeks. It takes me just 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
If you do from foundation, Unity and a DPC.
DPC.
Ozugbo, ozugbo.
Okay,
Then
so
the other one,
so for
Adegbo.
only weigh 50 million now, the person can build something like this
Depending on the material, the cost of material.
as of that moment.
As of that moment.
But as of today, 50 million naira can.
As of today, such thing can help. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much.
The interior, yana.
Even the interior, the POP
Yes.
and everything.
Yes.
Because as an engineer, when someone calls you, give them a breakdown of the POP cost, the tiling, how many blocks that is needed, and that reminds me, how many blocks do you think is enough for this whole building?
Well, in terms of the block, the down floor itself, around that kind, 4,000 to 3,000 blocks. Yeah, the same thing. Let me just say, total of blocks that we have here should be around that kind, 9,000.
Total of 9,000 blocks.
9,000 or
Okay.
8.
Okay.
So
hope you use quality materials when it comes to construction for your buildings.
Sure.
You use original materials. Don't buy inferior.
No. Like all my building.
Don't buy inferior rods.
Yes, all my building, I normally use complete rods because in the market we have complete and incomplete rods.
Yes.
So I don't normally use incomplete rods in building. Whatever I'm building, it must surely be a complete rod.
Okay. Can you tell us the place where it's necessary to use incomplete rods? Because most people will tell you that they don't use incomplete. Then who now buys them at the market?
So it depends.
You can go to the market and you will see a seller telling you that they is selling incomplete rod for someone. So who now buys the incomplete rod? And can you, as an engineer, tell us where it is necessary to use an incomplete rod?
It depends on the person. You know, all this is choice. So some engineers, once you give them money, they will just go for the lesser ones.
Okay.
But I myself, I don't know for others, but I'm talking about for my own self.
Yeah.
What I have been using is complete rods. Yes. For my own self, I have been using complete rods.
Okay.
In building.
Okay.
So because the reinforcement of the house is very, very important.
Yeah.
All very important. So you use a complete something where raw honor.
Okay.
Do you get?
So in summary of the whole thing we just said, the engineer said that some of 50 million naira can complete this building like this. Huh?
Sure.
And he charges the sum of 300,000 to 400,000 naira to DPC level. And also, depending on the kind of building you are doing, he will now give you his rate.
Yes.
There's not something he can just say here openly because he doesn't know the kind of building that you want him to construct for you. So that is, and please, if you need any of our services at OB Real Estate, you can equally connect with us with the number showing on the top right bottom of the screen. And I'm here today with Engineer Emmanuel. So please, can you do well to call your WhatsApp number in case any of our audience want you to help them with any of their building projects through us?
All right. My WhatsApp line is 081 36 71 60 46.
And if you're in the diaspora and you're watching this video, please do well to connect with him through us to help you start your building project from start to finish. And we can equally help you buy and deliver to your state. Going for interstate work is not a problem. Check our channel. We have been to Lagos, Benin, all states in Nigeria. And we equally keep on doing that because of you. And we are here because of you, because you love us, because you keep on supporting us and cheering us up to continue doing this job. Thank you so much for watching and God bless you. My name is Edo from OB Real Estate. Thank you.
Another thing, we go interstate, any state at all.
Any state.
Any state. We have any states, even Lagos, anywhere.
Okay.
We are going anywhere.
The rates are they the same?
It depends. Just the fee to conveying. That's the only thing.
The person will just pay for transportation.
Yes,
nothing else.
Yes.
Wow, that's fine. Thank you so much, sir, for your time and God bless you. Bye.